Hai teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama aku Faisal di channel Faisal Akbar. Di video kali ini, aku mau unboxing dan review mic clip-on harga 50 ribuan yang aku beli di Shopee. Nama mic ini adalah mic clip-on deluxe 3,5 mm TRRS for Android. Yuk kita mulai saja unboxing paketnya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Tadi teman-teman dengar dan bertanya-tanya apa itu TRS dan TRRS. Sedikit aku bakal menjelaskan. Jack tipe TRS atau tip ring slip. Jack tipe ini memiliki 3 bagian, yakni satu tip, satu ring, dan satu slip. Terdapat 3 konduktor dalam audio jack tipe ini. Audio jack 3,5 mm tipe TRS sudah mendukung mode stereo, namun belum mendukung mikrofon. Jadi harus membutuhkan splitter audio. Sedangkan jack tipe TRRS atau tip ring slip merupakan audio jack tipe yang paling lengkap. Jack tipe ini memiliki 4 bagian, yaitu satu tip, 2 ring, dan 1 slip. Audio jack tipe ini mendukung mode stereo sekaligus mikrofon. Oke, cukup sekian video unboxing kali ini. Barangkali ada yang ingin ditanyakan, silahkan komen di kolom komentar yang tersedia. Dan jangan lupa untuk berikan like, komen,